Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. Ring, 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 ring. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Give me a phone. Give me a phone. Thank you. I love phone. Thank you. Say good morning. My dear. My pretty. Where's the guys? Look, is still the guys. Good job. Ay, sorry. Happy Thursday. Tapos ko na ma-prepare yung bag ni ate. Lunch, tubig. Tapos na, baby. What? Ito din, kumain na din to. Nakapag-strawberry na din. Nag-milk na. Ano pa bang gusto mo, di? This one. Okay, here. Sorry. Gustong-gusto na niyang dinadala eh. Ganyan. Ay, bakit? Ano na naman? Alright, come here. Bye, Tita Rich. Say bye to Tita Michelle. Hindi pa sure kung magkikita sila mamaya or hindi. We'll see. Ay, sorry, di. Sorry. Say bye to Tita Michelle. Come on, hurry up. You gotta go.
You're a good girl, okay?
Bye-bye, ate.
Bye-bye.
Clean up a bedtime.
What did you say?
Why don't you clean up a bedtime?
Oh, I cleaned up. But you know what happened?
Yeah.
I cleaned up and then someone did not sleep straight away.
Me?
Yep. So that someone
It's Owl.
is Arlo, and he kept playing even though it was bedtime.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Myself get me.
Tita Michelle let you, that's right, yeah. Where were you last night?
I went to Tita Michelle's bed
And what did you do?
and I watched Tita Michelle's phone
You watched Tita Michelle's phone
at bedtime.
at bedtime. Is that allowed?
No.
No, it's not allowed. But why did you do it?
Because I like it. Because I want to keep a secret to Tita Michelle.
What?
Because I want to keep a secret to Tita Michelle.
You want to know what with Tita Michelle?
I want to keep a secret to Tita Michelle.
You want to keep a secret with Tita Michelle?
Yeah.
Well, it's not a secret now. I know everything that happened last night.
No, you're not.
Yes, I do.
I tell you that.
Well, you told me already. You watched the phone.
I will tell you later.
Oh, you told me already.
I will tell
But you know that you're not allowed to watch phone, yeah?
Yeah.
Was it a special night last night?
Yeah, and it's a secret.
It's a secret.
Please.
Not a secret anymore.
I want to see the fighting monkey song, and I want to do that.
No more phone because they are leaving today. Who do you like more, Tita Michelle or Tita Rich?
Tita Michelle.
Why Tita Michelle?
Because he's my best. I just like mommy.
Aw, you just like mommy.
And Tita Michelle.
And Tita Rich?
And that's Tita Michelle and Tita Rich.
And Isla and Indy?
Not Tita Rich.
Not Tita Rich! I'm gonna tell Tita Rich about this. I'm gonna tell Tita Rich. They're coming home now. And I'm gonna tell her.
Don't tell her.
I will.
No.
Well, you tell her anyway that you don't like her. That's so mean.
Don't tell her, mommy. Don't tell her, no. Don't tell her.
You look guapo. You like your hat?
Yeah.
I love your hat too.
I wanna wear my hat to sports.
You wanna wear it to sports? Yeah, tomorrow. Can I see your shorts? It looks really cute. Ayla chose that color.
Thank you,
Aya. Thank you, Ayla. Yan yung binili natin sa Kmart. Tag 5 yan. So binilhan ko siya ng I think navy, black, and ganyan.
The monkey fight.
You wanna monkey song? The lazy song?
Yeah, the monkey
I don't know what that is. Nakapag-edit ako guys ng konti. Actually, mahaba-haba yung na-edit ko. Kaya lang, ang haba-haba pala ng vlog na yun. So, this one?
No, down.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
That's the monkey farm.
Agoy, copyright to boy. Yan, nakapag-edit ako pero hindi pa tapos kasi ang haba-haba pa. So, naka-edit na ako ng 29 minutes. Tapos, mayroon pang nadagdag. Nako. Anyway, papunta na sila, miss, galing sa appointment niya. So, nandito pala siya kasi mayroon siyang mga appointments, guys, for her house kasi she's building a house, diba? So if you're interested, okay guys, copyright. If you're interested, please watch her vlog para kung gusto nyo lang naman makakita ng vlog ng about like, you know, building a house journey on her own, ha? Siya lang mag-isa niyan. So yeah, please watch her vlog, Rich Zigs. Yun din yung ginawa namin last time na pumunta siya dito, but obviously I didn't really vlog much about like her selections and stuff because she has her own vlog. So kung gusto niyo makita yung mga ganun, yung journey niya sa pag-build ng bago niyang house, you can watch her vlog. Kasi yun din yung ginawa nila today. Meron silang mga appointments for her new house. Sinamahan siya ni Michelle. Pero pabalik na sila. Ana din siya ganina nga koan, my friend is Tita Michelle. How about Tita Rich? No, she's not my friend, but keep it a secret.
Why are you not friends with Tita Rich again?
No,
No, I don't think so.
I think so.
I don't think so.
You think so?
No.
Okay.
Ay, nandito na sila guys. May dalang nachos. Thank you very much. Yeah, ang sarap ng sabaw. Tinola to guys. Yeah, 30 plus. Yeah, sobrang init. Sarap na sabaw ng tinola.
Mama,
Yes.
I'm gonna be 6, 7 at Halloween.
For Halloween? Sige, next year. Hindi na, usulong.
Halloween.
Ha?
I'm 6, 7. Mama,
Mm-hmm.
I'm 6, 7.
Kain tayo guys.
Come on, I'm 6, 7. I'm 6, 7.
Thank you for the nachos.
Hindi. She's looking at the natural.
Hand down. Hand down with that. Hand up with that. Hand up with
6 to
that.
7.
6, 7.
7. Hi, Dee.
Take the word. It's one cold like.
I thought we're not friends.
Anong kontra mo bigay mong buhaw eh?
Let's eat that. I want my own food. And me?
No, because you said we're not friends.
Okay.
That's what Lola said.
Our friends.
Now we're friends.
Now we're friends because I'm going to give you toys.
Yeah. Peace.
Yeah.
Peace.
Okay.
So, may nagbalay mo ka ba ang kutsara ni Arlo?
Dito. Yeah, dara.
Bye-bye, Mr. Alligator.
To the Philippines, boy!
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Don't get lost there.
No.
You call Vina. Tell him to play with you there, okay? Yeah?
Say okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Call Vino, ha?
Yeah.
Alright. Say bye to Tita Rich. Bye, Tita Rich.
Bye.
Bye, Inday. Thank you. Bye.
Mommy.
Yes?
Are we going in America?
No, we're not going in America. Wait.
We going
We are going to the Philippines. Come on, go sit in the middle. In the middle.
on. I can put my seatbelt on now.
Can you?
Yeah. I'm yawning. I'm yawning to put my seatbelt on. And watch me. And watch me.
Yeah. Bye-bye. You guys, punta tayong Burnside. Ay, nako. Kaya natin. Kaya natin to. Diba sabi ko, nung pumunta ako nung Monday, kailangan ko na gawin yung presents, shopping for teachers, kasi nga...
Mama, you in this hand in the yard.
Did she?
Yeah.
Punta kaming Burnside, guys, kasi kailangan kong dagdagan yung present.
Mama.
Yeah?
Why will we coming again?
We're going to the shops.
I can't hear you.
We're going to the shops. So, nung Monday, binili ko yung mga presents for teachers, diba? So, yung iniisip nga namin, isa para sa advisor ni Ayla, tapos dalawa para sa dalawang teachers ni Arlo. Tapos, nung nakauwi na si Ayla that day, sabi niya, where's one for Miss D? Hindi namin yan kilala si Miss D, guys. Kasi hindi naman namin siya nakikita. Pero siya pala yung assistant teacher ng teacher ni Ayla. Tapos, she just keeps mentioning her since Monday. Hindi namin siya narinig before that. Pero mabait daw sa kanya, ganun. So, balik tayo ng Burnside para bumili ng isa pang present para kay Miss D. And then, dumating din yung order ko from Zara. So, nung nag-Black Friday sale yung Zara, pag-open talaga nung sale nila, chinek out ko yung mga nasa cart ko na mga items. Meron kasi ako mga inad doon ng yung mga pang teens, guys, na hindi naka-display sa Zara. Kasi, diba, nakapunta na naman ako ng Zara doon. Nakita ko siya online, pero hindi siya naka-display doon. So, hindi ko siya na-try. Gusto ko siyang i-try. Like, yung mga cords. Perfect lang for, like, travel, ganun. So, nung nag-sale, chinek out ko na siya. And, for some reason, hindi sila nag-ship sa address namin. Only pick up. So, yun na lang yung option na pinili ko. And then yan, nag-email sila today na pwede na siyang i-collect. So, i-collect ko na lang din. I-collect ko na lang din yung order ko. Tapos, bilhin yung present. So, mabilis lang naman tayo. And then, after natin dun sa Burnside, kailangan natin i-pick up si Ate Ayla. So, it's currently 12:59. Darating tayo doon siguro mga 1:15. Tapos gawin yung mga kailangan natin gawin. And then go to Ate Ayla's school to pick her up. Kasi yung may kasana yung isa sa dahilan kung bakit gusto kong pumunta ng TTP kahapon. Ayaw nga ni Miss dun sa TTP. Kasi sabi ko, wag na tayong pumunta ng Harbour Town, parang ang layo, na sa oras. Sabi niya, ano bang mabibili dun sa TTP? Anong mayroon dun sa TTP? Pero kailangan ko din talaga pumunta ng Harbour Town para sa yung mga binili ko para kay mama, tsaka yung mga kailangan bilhin para kay papa. Nandun kasi talaga yung mga brands na yun dun sa outlet. So, yeah, at least na-insert namin yun kahapon. Tapos ito may insert natin today. Kasi bukas, I will not vlog. And magre-ready lang ako for our weekend trip. So, meron kaming na-add nga, yung na-mention ko. Meron kaming na-add na trip this weekend na hindi inaasahan. So, punta kami kina Manay, guys. Kasi in-invite kami ni Tito John for his birthday. And obviously, we cannot say no. It's Tito John's big day. So, yeah, we will go this weekend sa month. So, bukas will be, hopefully, maka-edit ako. And then, packing. Magkunti lang naman ipapack natin for the weekend lang naman. But, we still need to pack. Toiletries, all that. So, alis kami Sabado. So, I'll see you guys Sabado na. Kasi nga, bukas hindi ako mag-vlog. Kasi may sports din kasi ako bukas. Sabi ko, bukas ko na lang to gawin sana. Itong pagpunta ng Burnside, pag-pick up ng Zara, may sports pa ako bukas ng umaga kay Arlo. Tapos magpapack pa nga ako. So sabi ko ngayon na lang, insert na lang natin ngayon. Kasi ganun din naman, kahit bukas ko siya gawin, dalawa pa din naman yung aking daladalang kids. So Arlo, we already talked, okay? You gotta be good. Just sit on in this pram. Is that okay with you, Arlo? Yeah, thank you, Arlo. Okay din dun sa Burnside.
Why something I want?
We will check, okay? Sabihin ko sana. Yes, we will check what they have, okay? We can take a photo and give it to Santa later. Yeah. Oh, later pala. Meron kaming Santa photo later. Nakaschedule na yun, matagal na. So we booked it for today, 5:30. So yun din pala. Pagdating namin ng bahay ng kids, maliligo kami, magre-ready kasi mamaya after ng Santa photo, doon na kami kakain. Tapos late na kami makakauwi niyan. So at least tapos na kami maligo, 'di ba? Daddy, don't sleep, Di, ha? Hindi na natutulog si Di, kagising niya lang. Oh my gosh, so after natin mag-pack for Mount, parang ayaw ko munang isipin, guys, kasi parang hindi pa ako ready. Inisip ko magpapack na naman for Pinas, pero parang hindi pa ako ready. Gusto ko as in mawala na talaga yung sipon ko, mawala yung ano ko, pagka-ukal ko. Mga Bisaya lang makakaintindi. Aking ukal-ukal dito, guys. Meron pa rin ako ng konting natira, mga ukal. Don't sleep, guys. Do you wanna listen to music?
Yeah.
What do you wanna listen to?
I don't wanna live.
Here's Nice to Each Other by Olivia Dean.
Okay. Play Your Love by The Outfield. Oh my gosh, we're so lucky, guys. May paalis na car na nasa prom parking. Take your time, girl. It's okay. I totally get it.
I wanna move, Mommy.
Yeah, I know. I'm waiting for these people to go. Thank you. Amazing. So amazing. Thank you, Lord. Do you want to press the button, Ala? Can you reach? The other one. The other one. Yep. Good boy. Thank you. Ayan lang siya. Upo lang yan siya dyan. Tapos si Indy. Yeah, just wait. And we're back here with kids. 2. Guys, pati dito automatic na din. Let's see what to do. Ano ba to? What do we do? Anong gagawin natin dito? Ah, here. Diba? Dito pala. Scan code. Dalawa yung code ko eh. You have 2 parcels, yeah? Ay, ang galing, guys. Tingnan nyo. Kita nyo ba? Yung sa loob, kukunin niya. Ay, ang amazing. That's 1. Thank you. Ah, so cool. Just wait, Alo. Do you want to put this in the pram, Alo? Thank you. This is a present, yeah, for mommy. Dito kami sa family room, guys. Tapos may playground na maliit na ganyan. Laro muna sila dun. Kasi tapos na tayo. Nakuha ko na yung package ko. And then, nabili ko na din yung present for the teacher. Ayan. So, kompleto na tayo. Okay na tayo. Hindi na tayo babalik ng mall. Okay na tayo kasi sobrang busy na ngayon. It's only 1:46. Tapos yung school ni Ayla, the last time I checked, was 15 minutes away. Check ko ulit. Ang saya-saya ni Indy. Walang sapatos.
Mommy, are you gonna say?
16 minutes away. Yeah, so alis kami ng mga after 2. What happened? Mommy. Hello. Hello. You wanna get out? Yes? Diba, nandito na kami sa perfume. Kasi nga nakalimutan ko pala bilhan si Papa.
I did this one.
Yeah, I think we should. Does it smell good? Nandito na naman ako sa Bogus Vibrant Leather na mga line. Oh, bango nila. Nakuha ko na yung dalawa. Itong Extreme at saka yung Elixir. Do you want it on your day? Alright, we will. Sige. This one?
Tickle.
Smells good.
That tickles mommy.
Let's buy this.
Yeah.
Can you help me pay?
Sure.
Yeah, you're gonna put it there. Okay? You hold it, please. Don't drop it. 2 hands? Because it's glass. 2 hands? Yeah?
Doing.
You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. I need to carry you. Put it down. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Good boy. There it is.
Another one.
No, we paid for that.
This is for mommy.
It's for perfume, yes.
This is for
Yes.
that's not for This is the one for that.
Guys, tapos na kami dun.
And
It's 2:12 ng hapon. 15 minutes daw papunta sa school ni ate.
are you promise?
I promise. Yes, of course I promise. 16 minutes now. Or baka umangat pa to mamaya kasi traffic. So, maaga tayo dun guys. Ang aga natin. Hindi nga ako nagmamadali eh. Wala namang magpa-park. Ang dami na ding free car park. Alam niyo bang na-realize ko na kulang talaga yung perfume ko nung nag-i-edit na ako guys. Kanina, ina-edit ko yung video nung Monday. And while nag-i-edit ako, sabi ko, I need 3 perfumes for the boys. As in, totally nakalimutan ko talaga si Papi. Dapat pala 4 lagi. Kapag boys, 4 lagi. Kasi tatlong kapatid, tapos si Papi. So, nakalimutan ko siya. Nung Monday, as in, wala talaga siya sa isip ko. Ngayon ko lang naalala na, kulang pala si Papi. So, timing din, pumunta tayo doon. So, this is what I got. Hindi ko na alam kung para kanino to. Depende na lang sa boys. But I got the Bogus. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Bogus Vibrant Leather na perfume. So, yung 3 klase nito, binili ko. Yung ito, yung original. Tapos, yung Elixir. And then, yung Extreme. Tapos, yung isang binili ko is yung For Him na parang classic nila. I don't know. Basta, 4 na sila. So, that's important. And, na-shook ako dun sa kanila. Pa-check out. Ang galing. Pumunta kasi ako sa returns, payments area. Yung pagpasok mo talaga. Tapos sabi niya, meron kaming collection area, online collection dun sa, dinirect niya ako sa kung saan. And ang amazing, sobrang amazing talaga. Automatic lahat. Ay, nakakaloka. So this time, nabayaran ko na siya, 'di ba? Kinuha ko na siya. Ang ginawa ko, guys, binalik ko yung product, itong bag doon sa counter para lang i-check kung magbi-beep siya. Kasi kapag binalik mo siya doon, tas nag-show up pa din siya, that means something is wrong. Like, hindi mo siya nabayaran or baka na double alarm na naman. So, natuto na ako sa nangyari sa Monday. Binalik ko siya, tas skinan ko siya maraming beses. Ginanon-ganon ko talaga siya doon. O, hindi na talaga siya nag-appear sa counter. So, kung hindi nyo napanood yung Monday vlog, panoorin nyo kung bakit parang medyo natotrauma na ako ng konti sa pag-check out sa Zara. Or, hindi sa pag-check out, sa paglabas. So, paglabas, kahit na na-check ko na siya sa counter and alam ko na hindi siya magbi-beep, medyo nag-worry pa din ako na magbi-beep siya. Kasi you never know dito sa mga automated system na to kung ano-ano na lang nangyayari. Alright, let's go to Ate Ayla's school. What do you guys want to listen?
Soda pop.
Soda pop? Okay.
Oh, my pop. Mama, that's 6, 7.
Is it?
6, 7.
Oh my gosh, you guys. We're back in the car with Ayla. It's so hot. 33 degrees outside, says the car. Ah, nagkasabay-sabay pang umalis ang mga cars. Sige, alis kayo lahat. How was school, ate?
Good.
Good, that's good.
My school was start too, Mommy.
Yeah. Family! Hello?
Why are you all red?
Yeah.
I'm a candy cane. I'm a candy cane too.
And Indy is a
I
princess.
have the same shoes as Indy.
Yeah. I'll wear the same shoes as you too.
I have the same shoes as Indy too.
Yeah. Alright, let's go guys.
You have the same shoes as
Let's go. Santa photo outfit this year. Ito yung from Zara.
Daddy.
Galing sa teens. Daddy, you look pretty. Ang cute mo, di. Alright, let's go. Come on. Off to Golden Grove Shopping Center. Yes?
Allie, got your seatbelt sorted? Put it on. Leave it on.
You ready to see Santa? Where's Santa? Okay. Where is he, Alo? What are you gonna tell him? You're a good boy? Hmm? You want a dragon present? Okay, you have to tell him, okay? Don't forget. Okay. Indy, where's Santa? Where's Santa?
Did you say what you want for Christmas? Quick, quickly.
What would you like for Christmas, young man?
A dragon?
Yes.
Can you take it,
What else?
Nimala?
Anything else?
Quick, quick.
A what? Chocolate
Chocolate
egg.
cake. Okay.
How about you, Ayla?
What
And
do you like?
do you like surprises?
Aw.
I've got some nice surprises in my sleigh. Have you been a good boy for mum and dad? You help your mum and dad with your 2 sisters? That's a good girl. Boy, give me a
Thank you.
Don't go yet. I've got a
Thanks.
present for you.
Ooh.
Thank you so much for coming
So
in to
thank
visit
you.
me.
So thank you.
Thank
So
you.
thank you,
You look after your mum and dad, won't you? Go to bed early on Christmas Eve.
Daddy.
Where's Daddy? Where's Dada? Dito kami sa restaurant. Nag-order na si Daddy. Kain kami dinner. Diba? Where's Daddy? Are you good? You wear this. Like that. Ready? Steady. Show the guys. Show the guys. Oh, so cute. Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where is it? You look guapo, Alo. You look guapa, ate.
She's wearing it.
Yeah. You look guapa, Indy.
Okay.
That's hot.
Cut it.
Nag-request ng cheeseburger. Hindi naman kumakain ng burger. We'll see. Pinayagan namin. Hello daw. Hello.
Yummy.
Pinayagan namin na cheeseburger kasi libre yung kids meal. Pag Thursdays, libre yung kids
This
meal.
is so dark.
Chips are good.
How's your pasta, Ali? Good. Can you just put that bit closer to you?
See, that's a lot of pasta.
It is a lot of pasta.
Me.
Pakadaming chips. Pareho kami na in-order. So, kanina sabi niya, magpapasta daw siya. Nakalimutan niya, guys. He totally forgot nung nag-order na siya.
I'm gonna put out this song.
How is it? See, if you had pasta, this is too big. Nasa Woolies na kami. Grocery shopping lang ng konti lang. Yung mga kailangan lang namin. Pagbalik namin, yung mga yogurt, yung mga ganyan, para pagbalik namin, meron pa din yung mga bata. Strawberries, mga ganun. No, we don't have a coin.
A card.
No, it's too much. $4. Dang, rip off. Just move it yourself.
Yup. Nani.
Oh,
Mine is on the floor.
Every time I come,
Can you
you're
get
asleep.
it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you get it, Mommy?
It's on the floor. Can you
Hello,
get it?
Indy.
All her lollies.
Hello, Indy.
And the other one.
How are you?
Guys, it is 7:57. Bedtime na ng mga batang ito.
But I guess we start up play.
Ay, nako. So, nagpa-photo kami, nag-dinner, tapos nag-grocery konti. And then, punta kami sa block ni Miss. And then, malapit na kasi yung block ni Miss sa bahay ni Sharon. So, pinuntahan na din namin si Sharon. So, yun kanina. Nag-hi yung mga bata. Hindi na kami bumaba. Nag-hi lang talaga kami kasi we were in the area. And now, we stopped for petrol. Para, ito na yung petrol namin. Hindi na kami magpapapetrol sa Sabado. So, Sabado pa yung alis namin. Nasabi ko na, diba? Tapos bukas ya. Hindi ako mag-vlog bukas. Magpapack ako and hopefully maka-edit ako bukas. Anyway, yun na yung ating vlog tonight, guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And did you show to my mommy's videos?
Yes, they said yes.
The camera's moving.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for subscribing and watching. We appreciate you.
What is Daddy doing?
He's gonna pay. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Why do you need my phone extra?